So here's a project I'm prototyping for the Boston College Campus School. Many of the students in that program have very severe physical limitations and they can't play a conventional game of catch. So what I've done here is I have two Hub 75 displays. They'll eventually be mounted in nice cases so that they can fit on a wheelchair tray. And there is a plug in the back of either of these so that we can put in standard accessible switches. These happen to be light touch switches that the students in my physical computing course built. And the idea is that students can play this game of catch by passing the ghost back and forth just by clicking the button. And if they laid their hand on top of it or clicked it multiple times, it would still work. And, so even if they struggled with motor control, there's no problem in passing that cute ghost back and forth. And we'll eventually have other displays, other animations in here as well. But this is what we're calling Ghost Catch. And I hope that the students in Campus School think that this is really fun. I've also put the information up on GitHub so that my students know how they can adapt this for some things in their own projects. Scamper on, Ghost.